Alright, hi everyone, this is JimLiElevators here on YouTube, and we are staying at the Motel 6 by Wyndham, near the downtown capital area of Austin, Texas. And we're going to be doing a hotel room tour here. I'm not going to do the whole entire hotel because it's late at night and the front desk is closed. And also I'm really tired as well. There's really nothing exciting to see other than just the main lobby. But anyways, we're in room 204. So let's go inside and check out the room. I know I haven't done hotel tours all that much, but since I'm now staying on my own, I might do them from time to time, but I'm not going to do hotel tours in every single hotel I stay, but as much as well I can. But anyways, you got your front desk. If you want to read, just pause. You got a lock, your deadbolt, just like that. And so as you enter the room, this right here is your closet with your hangers and the stand where you put your luggage, which in this case I just carry my backpack with me. Apparently there is no iron or ironing board. I don't know why. But this right here is the restroom. Got a shower, which I just got here. Look at the curtains. It looks like they just tied up to the the soap ledge right there. It's like an arched curtain. And I'm gonna go ahead and test out the shower. With that, go ahead and shut up. Ooh, I almost shut it off. I almost got wet. So you got your shower right here, towels, and your commode, which is a Mansfield. We'll go ahead and flush it. And you got, look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. There is your sink right here. Coffee maker. This is your restroom. I forgot to get a show a view of it. All right, now we're gonna look at the rest of the room. Another ledge where you put your stuff. And this right here is what the hotel room looks like. You got a queen size bed, and I like the view of the Capitol, the poster board. Look at that. Look at that right there. It's the capital of Texas, known as the Lone Star State. You got two nightstands, which I'm preferably using the one on the right. Got a phone, remote control, your lamp, and you got an LG TV screen right here. Coffee cup, coffee maker, microwave. This right here is a Gallon's refrigerator. Which way does it open? Oh, this side. Oh, this is the freezer. Down here is the refrigerator. Got a microwave. How do you open it? Oh, it's right here. I wonder what those are. empty drawers. Close it back up. Oh, I forgot to take a look at the drawer. Nothing inside there. And here's the other drawer right here. Empty. But here is the bed right here. And I know Andrew, known as Diesel Doocy, does the cleanliness test kind of stuff, but I'm not gonna do that. So that's pretty much Andrew's thing, and it's and it just takes a lot of time. But anyways, you got your bed. This is your queen size bed that I'm gonna be sleeping off for the night. Oh, and I also forgot to include one thing. This right here is your air conditioner, which is controlled by that right there, your AC control. And most importantly, you got yourselves a view, which you can see downtown Austin, Interstate Highway 35. And last but not least, you have your workstation right here. So, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And before I go, I forgot to mention, it's like $79 to $80 a night. So it's pretty reasonable. So, oh, would you look at that? There is my Metro Elevator goodie bag that I just had today. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get ready for sleep once I stop the video. So thank you again for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And that is going to be it.